Hi to everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. See in this problem, here a voltage was 100 sin omega t is applied to a 10 ohm resistor. Then how can you find current, instantaneous power and average power in the circuit? So first of all write the given data. So here voltage was given as 100 sin omega t. So this is the voltage was going to apply to a resistor. So that value is given as 10 ohms. Now first of all we are going to find the current in the circuit. So when you observe that this resistor is connected in series with voltage source. So by applying Ohm's law we will get the current in the circuit. So that is V equal to IR. This is the Ohm's law. So from this we will get current I equal to V by R. And here given V, that is 100 sin omega t and resistor is given as 10. Here 0 cancel and we will get 10 sin omega t. So this is the required current in the circuit. Next, how to find instantaneous power. Instantaneous power nothing but the product of voltage and current. It gives instantaneous power, that is P equal to voltage into current. Here voltage was given as 100 sin omega t into, and current we got 10 sin omega t. So by product we will get 100 into 10, 10 cube. Sin omega t is sin omega t, nothing but sin square omega t. So this is the instantaneous power. Now how to find average power? So according to the definition of average power, it is a product of RMS voltage with RMS current. Now here how can you find RMS voltage and RMS current? So from the voltage equation, this is the maximum amplitude, that is 100. That maximum amplitude by root 2, it gives RMS voltage. So similarly RMS current, from current equation this is the maximum amplitude, that is 10 by root 2. So 100 into 10, 1000 by root 2 into root 2, root 2 whole square. So root will cancel, we will get 2. By simplifying this we will get 500 watts. So this is the required average power for the given circuit, and this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.